Good morning and welcome to Senior Health After 50 Plus. If you've been looking for a simple way to burn belly fat, boost your energy, and feel lighter every morning, this 10-minute Tai Chi Indoor Walk is perfect for you. No gym, no pressure, just gentle, flowing steps you can do right at home. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's move together for a healthier, stronger you after 50. Part 1. Warm-up. Start by standing tall, feet shoulder-width apart. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Roll your shoulders back 1, 2, 3 times. Now, let's gently twist the waist side to side. This opens up your spine and warms the core. Good. Keep breathing deeply, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Next, lift your arms slowly up as you inhale and lower them down as you exhale. This simple flow wakes up your energy and gets you ready to move. Part 2. Tai Chi Indoor Walking. Okay, let's begin our Tai Chi walk. Move slowly and listen to your body. Step 1. Slow, mindful steps. Repeat 3 times. Stand tall, feet hip-width, soften your knees. Lift your right foot slowly, count 1. Step forward, heel first, count 2. Then roll through the foot and settle weight, count 3. As you place the foot, exhale and draw your belly gently in. Think a soft button press, not a hard squeeze. Hold that gentle core for a beat. Repeat with the left foot. 1, 2, 3. Aim for 8 slow steps, 4 forward each side, per cycle. Tip. Inhale as you lift. Exhale as you set the foot. Step 2. Add arm flow. Repeat 3 times. On the next cycle, let your arms float forward on the inhale, like 2 slow waves, palms facing inward. As you step and exhale, draw hands back toward your belly, elbows soft. Coordinate breath plus step. Inhale equals lift and float arms. Exhale equals place, foot, and draw arms back. Modification. Keep hands at chest height if shoulders feel tight. Step 3. Gentle turning. Repeat 3 times. Start walking in a half circle to the right over 4 to 6 steps, keeping the same inhale-exhale rhythm. Then reverse, walking a half circle to the left. These turns engage your obliques and improve balance. Take smaller steps if needed. Safety. If balance is uncertain, use a chair nearby or stay close to a couch for light support. Nice work. Keep breathing, keep it slow. We'll repeat this pattern and build flow. Part 3. Energy boost and closing flow. Now, let's finish strong with calm energy and gentle strength. Step 1. Power breath, flow, 7 to 8. Stand tall, feet shoulder-width apart. Inhale deeply as you step forward with your right foot and raise both arms slowly overhead, palms facing each other. Imagine lifting sunlight into your body. Exhale slowly, lower your arms, and press your palms down as if smoothing the air. Release all tension from shoulders and chest. Repeat on the left side. Do 4 slow rounds, alternating right and left. Tip. Keep your gaze forward, spine long, shoulders relaxed. Step 2. Flowing strength. Continue walking slowly in place, heel to toe. With each inhale, draw your hands up toward your chest. With each exhale, extend your hands forward gently. like sending out calm energy. Feel your belly firm slightly. This builds gentle core strength and focus. Reminder, move with your breath, not faster than it. Step 3. Centering energy. Bring your feet together. Place your hands gently over your lower belly. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Feel your chest and belly expand. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Relax your whole body. Smile softly and say to yourself, I feel calm, strong, and awake. Part 4. Relaxation and motivation. Now, let's finish with stillness and gratitude. Step 1. Final deep breath. Stand with your feet together or slightly apart for comfort. Inhale deeply through your nose as you raise both arms slowly overhead, palms facing each other. Feel your ribs expand and your chest open. Hold the breath for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth, letting your arms float back down by your sides. As you breathe out, imagine releasing all tiredness and tension from your body. Step 2. Gentle closing moment. Bring your hands together in front of your chest or rest them softly over your belly. Take one more calm breath and feel the quiet strength within you. You've just completed a full 10-minute Tai Chi Indoor Walking session. A simple yet powerful way to burn belly fat, improve balance, and lift your mood every day. Practice this once or twice daily, in the morning to wake your energy, or in the evening to unwind your mind. Each time you move with awareness, you're not just exercising, you're nurturing your body and calming your spirit. Visual. The woman closes her eyes, smiles, and bows slightly. Text on screen. Subscribe for more gentle movement and senior wellness. Thank you for joining Senior Health After 50 Plus. Take care, stay active, and keep that peaceful energy with you all day. Great job today. If you enjoyed this gentle Tai Chi walk, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Senior Health After 50 Plus, your go-to channel for simple daily moves to stay healthy, balanced, and full of energy after 50. Let's keep moving together toward better health every week. And here's a little bonus. Send us an email at petaray666@gmail.com to receive a free Tai Chi and Senior Wellness Guide as a thank you for joining our community.